Yo, what's up, everybody? Here is Henry, and in this video, I'm gonna do a simple reverse engineering challenge, which is a picoctf challenge here. As you can see, it's a reverse cipher, and the description of the challenge said that we recover a binary and a text file and reverse the plan. Okay, there's a hint, but to use object dump or Ghidra, which are two good tools for reverse engineering. So let's get into it. So here I've downloaded this file this, which is which are in binary. The binary one here. Yeah, it's you see EOF a keyword here. EOF executable, and the file that this is a just ASCII text. So I'm gonna do the I'm gonna do let's see what was in the Redis file. Oh, it's just a picoctf with some stuff in here. Okay, and let's execute the red file, the red binary. Okay, it said no flag file. Please make sure this is run on the server in segmentation file. Okay, so with no clue here, let's just reverse it. So in this video, I'm going to use the Ghidra tool, which is a very good, which is an NSA. The tool was created by NSA to help us reverse engineer binary stuff, binary files. Just wait a second. Okay, here we go. And we got to do the reverse. We have to create a project. Let's create a new project. Share. Yeah, we'll put it on desktop and just name it reverse. Okay, so and to add the binary we want to reverse, we have to import file, import file. In desktop, I have. Oh wait, I haven't downloaded yet. I have to download it. No, I have to download to the. No, the file in the share document, the share Kali Linux here, the red file, yeah, okay, one second, this is executable, just just add here. Here's the result, the summary of the file, information about that, source file, type, okay, okay, let's do the read. Okay, after I do the analyzing, here's code browser for that, for the file. So I want to reverse. So if you do so you know that every like the C in C or C++, like they all, I mean, the code is all execute in the main function, right? So here we're looking for the functions. There are some functions here. We'll look for the main function. There are many other functions to call, but they're not really important. I mean, at least for now. So just look for the main. Yes, it's the main function. Okay, there is the assembly code here and the C code here, but to make it easier, I will just take the C code. Let's copy it. Copy to file. No, just format it a bit so it's just my preference. Nothing important here. Nothing too important. Okay. So as you can see, there in the main function here, there are several variables here. Just leave it there. We'll know what they will do. What they do. So the first things you can see here are the local 20 and local 28 are the object file object, and we will open two files here. For the flag.txt, I think that one contains the flag, and red disk, which is the text file that we got. And if you see there's a check on here, if the local 20 file equal to file 0x0, and here we will print the string, and because so is now this one explains the why when we execute the program it said no flag down. Please make sure it is run on server. That's why it said that, because we didn't include any file flag that takes or red disk. Okay. So the next one is the S bar one, which is a size thing of variable. It called from this use function read file, which is if you check it out in here, you can check it out in the main page of the main page of here. You can see the f read here, which there are four parameters. Parameter, it will read the number of items in here, and each item of data will have the size of several like many bytes, and from the file stream to this output here. So when we check this function, it will call one object with the size of 24. Then you can convert this hexadecimal to decimal, which is 24 bytes from the local 20, which is the text in the file flag.txt here, and put it in the local 58. Cool. So yeah, the figure here is a string. This string which has the size 23. Seems like it's going to be less going to be like the last character. But whatever. Let's keep going. So I say if the integer of the s bar is less than 1, which means that the text inside this text inside this one is not equal to how does it? It's not equal to it doesn't have the same length. It doesn't have the same length with the I have the same length with this, which is 24 bytes. It will exit the program. Yeah, exit, and then there's nothing. So it must be 24 characters to do some stuff here. But let's see what we're gonna do. So we have the local 10 here, which is a integer count. It's a local 10, y is less than 8. We'll do some stuff here, do something here, and plus 1. So it's a loop. So let's say the local 9 will go to local 58. Just the string that we given that's passed by from the flat text file. We take this and it will put into local 28, which is the ref file. Yeah, if put character, if you read on the main page, it said that put this one into this one, with the character into the file. So, since I'm from the 0 to 7, from the index 0 to 7, the local 10 here, it just put the text from the flat text to ref this file through the local 58 here. Okay, and then we have another integer, unsigned integer, with 8 equal to 8 here. So when y is less than 23, yeah, well, this is less than 23, we'll do some stuff, we'll check something here, and put character here, and which is plus 1. So if the local 14, not 14 here, do ending with the number 1 is equal to 0. If you know about the ending operation, or any operation, this one will only happen when the last bit of the local 14 is 0. The last bit is 0. So because the ending to be equal to 0 here, to be 0 here, both of there must be at least one operand equal to 0. So the last bit of the local 14 must be 0 to satisfy this condition, which means that local 14 must be an even number, like 2, 4, 6, 8, stuff like that, to be able to pass this condition. So if it passes condition, local 58, local 9 here, local 58, take from the 8th element to the 20th, it will plus x05 here, which is 5 in decimal, will plus 5. So we'll move, it will plus the decimal value of character plus 5 here. And if it's not, it will minus 2 here, it goes back 2. And then it puts in the file here. And the last one here is not even matter. So let me just go here. Okay. So what do we get from this? To be summarized. summarize it. Firstly, if the program get a file flag text and write this here, it will do the if it doesn't get this file, it won't do anything. It will just let the program, it will just close program. If it gets both files, it will check if the flag.text here has the length 24 bytes, which are 24 characters. If the 24 characters, we will put the first 8 characters from the flag.text to read this file, and the last 15 characters, last 15 and 16 characters to the read this file. But they change if the index of that character is off. It will -2 of this ASC2 code, and it will +5. The code ASC2 code will +5. It is an even number. So because we have the output file, the read this file, we'll check that out. Oh, I downloaded it already. Here, we'll check that out. Read this here. So I think this is the flag, which is, so I think, so here is the flag which was in code, like which was changed to output. So we have to we will write a small script to reverse. So we have here the first character, which is picoctf, a normal form of flag in the picoctf. If you play picoctf, you will know. And here is the 16 character, which are changing. So we will reverse this. Let's write a small script, small Python script. Okay, small Python script to do this. So if we string Python string equal to do the output string, which is reverse string here. Nothing here. Okay. So we'll check this. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Yes. This is I need the number will reverse, which is -5. -5 the ISC to code of it. Okay, so here we go. Plus equal. I don't change because if you know for Python, a string object is immutable, which is like we can't change the element inside it. So I have to create a new one. Here, so we will type some code to do the reverse for it. moving stuff, escape, okay, and let's run the script so we can get the reverse flag. And here we got the reverse one. The last one just ignore it because if you know the last one here, if you check the ASC2 table, there will be after the reverse it will be a special character. So we just copy it. Submit the password. First one is pico. Oh, yeah, because I did that one, I just walked through the game. So we just submit the file. Oh, so sorry. There you go. And yeah, that challenge is solved. And that's how that I do the reverse cipher for simple. Just this is a simple reverse engineer challenge. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have anything you want to ask, you can ask in the comment below. Thanks for watching.